So I'm here with Kevin on the PTZOptics stand, and we're talking about high visibility PTZ cameras. So Kevin, tell us more about the high visibility cameras.
Absolutely. These are our new red high visibility cameras up here that we are showing off. These were designed with industrial manufacturing in mind to make sure that these cameras can be seen on any floor.
And what are they? What camera are they based on? What camera are they?
At its core, these are Move 4K 20x cameras, just with that nice bright red shell.
And they do the 12x and the 20x?
We do not have the 12x right now.
Will you?
If there's enough interest, we may.
Good. Well, let's hope there is.
Absolutely.
And so there was a lot of demand for this?
Yes, there was. We initially made it for a single client, and we had a sample unit in our studio on a shelf, and people saw it on a live stream and immediately said, where can I get one of those? So now we've brought it to our full product line.
And there's nothing different other than the casing?
They just love the color.
Okay, great. So I guess, considering you've made them already for a client, they're shipping now and available now?
They are available now. You can get yours. Check over at PTZOptics.com.
And same price?
Same price, $23.49 USD.
Thanks, Kevin.
Of course.
Website again was?
PTZOptics.com.
Thank you very much.